Want to reach a global audience with your videos without spending thousands of dollars on translators and voice actors? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Maestra to translate and dub your content using AI. Maestra is an all-in-one AI media localization platform designed to help you translate, transcribe, subtitle, and dub your audio and video files in over 125 different languages. Whether you are a solo YouTuber looking to auto-generate multilingual captions or a team managing international broadcasts, this tool is built to handle it all. What makes Maestra stand out is its versatility. You can upload a pre-recorded video or audio file to easily generate highly accurate subtitles and translate them. But the real magic is in the AI dubbing. Maestra doesn't just give you robotic voiceovers. Its AI dubbing feature includes voice cloning and lip syncing, designed to preserve the original tone, context, and meaning of your speech across more than 100 voices and accents. On top of that, Maestra features industry-leading live translation. This means you can actually translate meetings and live streams in real time on platforms you already use, like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, OBS, and vMix. It even integrates with YouTube and TikTok for seamless publishing. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the platform is incredibly feature-rich, offering everything from web captioning to movie dubbing in one place, and it supports an impressive list of 125+ languages. However, to be completely transparent, while Maestra's website highlights a 4.8-star rating on G2 and claims trust from over 5 million users, we currently have limited independent user review data. This means we can't pinpoint common user complaints or specific technical limitations, so we highly recommend trying out their free trial first to see how well the voice cloning and lip syncing handle your specific voice and video style. Overall, if you want a fast, highly integrated way to scale your content globally, Maestra is absolutely worth checking out. You can get started for free by heading over to maestra.ai. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and let me know in the comments which language you're going to translate your videos into first.